Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a fully automatic stone and cobblestone generator that works on both Java and Bedrock edition. I've already been through multiple iterations and I've landed on this design right here. I'm sure there's a way to improve it even further, but this is the best design that I could come up with since on Java edition you can't waterlog pistons. It's also toggleable and completely loss free. To get started, this will be the front area. Break out these two blocks, place your chest, place a hopper facing into the chest, a hopper into that hopper, and 4 more hoppers facing this hopper for 5 hoppers. Fill in the floor to both sides of the hoppers like so. Place these 2 blocks at the front and these 3 blocks at the back. Place 3 stairs here and 2 stairs at the front. Then extend the ground out 1 more block on either side. Place in 5 pistons on either side. And place obsidian behind the pistons to stop them from moving. Fill in these corner blocks. Then waterlog the 5 stairs. Place a sign on the side of the stairs to stop the water from flowing out. Raise the wall up 1 more block, like so. Then place a line of blocks across the middle. Now for the redstone. Place a block right here, a lever, a comparator facing into the block, 2 hoppers facing into each other, another comparator coming out of the hopper into another block with a redstone dust. Then place 2 pistons on top of the comparators. Then place a redstone block on either side. Now place 5 of any items into the hoppers, and this will start the T flip-flop. You can then flip the lever to turn it off. Now come to the right side and place 2 upper slabs from the hopper. Place a block, then 4 more blocks. Then place redstone on all the blocks including the obsidian, like so. Do the same on the other side but start building out from the other hopper, like so. Place a block, and then upside down T again, then place in all the redstone on all the blocks including the obsidian. It should look like this, and this is what it looks like from above. The right side should be powered on, and the left side should be powered off. That's basically you done, just placing the lava on both sides, on the middle block. Flip the lever, and you can start mining away. Just flip the lever off when you're done, and then you can collect all your stone or cobblestone from your chest below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.